Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to be here today to talk about running AI on your laptop, how local inference is changing the game. Today, we'll explore how advancements in technology are making it possible to run powerful AI models right on your own device. We'll look at what local inference means, why it's important, and how it's transforming the way we use AI. So, let's dive in and discover what's new in this rapidly evolving space. Today, I want to walk you through the main topics we're going to cover in this presentation. These topics are the key points that will help us understand the overall theme and purpose of our discussion. As we go through each one, I'll highlight why they matter and how they connect to the bigger picture. This overview is designed to give you a clear roadmap of what to expect, so you'll know how each part fits into the whole. By understanding these topics thoroughly, you'll be better equipped to grasp the insights and takeaways we want to share. So, let's dive into these topics and see how they come together to support our main message. So, what exactly is local AI inference? Well, it refers to the process where machine learning models are run directly on your device. Think of your laptop, smartphone, embedded systems, or even edge servers, without needing to send data off to a centralized cloud. This is a pretty significant shift in how we deploy AI. Instead of relying on remote data centers, the computation is happening right at the edge of the network, close to where the data is actually generated. By enabling models to run locally, we can achieve faster and more responsive AI experiences. This means less lag and smoother interactions. Plus, it helps protect user privacy because sensitive data stays on the device rather than being transmitted elsewhere. And it reduces our dependency on internet connectivity, which is especially important in areas with limited or unreliable internet access. Overall, local AI inference is a key step toward making AI more efficient, private, and accessible across a wide range of devices and situations, aligning perfectly with our goal of bringing smarter, faster AI to everyday life. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of local AI. When we talk about local AI, we're really emphasizing the advantages of processing data directly on a device or within a specific local environment. One of the key benefits is enhanced privacy. Because data doesn't have to leave the device, users' sensitive information stays protected and confidential. This is especially important in fields like healthcare or finance, where data security is critical. Another important point is reduced latency. Local AI can respond much faster because it doesn't rely on sending data over the internet to a remote server and waiting for a response. This makes real-time decision-making much more effective, which is crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles or smart home devices. Additionally, local AI can offer increased reliability. If your internet connection drops or becomes unstable, the AI can still operate seamlessly because it's running locally. This independence from continuous connectivity ensures consistent performance. Finally, implementing AI locally can also lead to better customization and control. Organizations can tailor AI models to their specific needs without depending on cloud providers, giving them more autonomy over their data and systems. Connecting this to our overall theme, embracing local AI means prioritizing privacy, improving responsiveness, and gaining control. Factors that are essential as we move toward a more decentralized and secure AI landscape. Let's take a closer look at the technical requirements that are essential for this project. First, we need to understand the key components that make the system work effectively. These include hardware specifications, software compatibility, and network infrastructure. Ensuring that the hardware is capable of handling the expected load is critical, so we'll need to pay attention to processing power, memory, and storage. On the software side, compatibility with existing systems and the ability to scale as needed are vital. We want to make sure that the solutions we implement integrate smoothly without causing disruptions. Network infrastructure is also a major factor. A reliable and secure network will support seamless communication between components, which is essential for real-time data processing and system stability. By meeting these technical requirements, we not only ensure the system functions properly, but also align with our overall goal of creating a resilient, efficient, and scalable solution. So, understanding and addressing these technical points is fundamental to the success of the project. Now, let's take a look at some of the key use cases for this technology. As we've discussed, understanding the practical applications is crucial to appreciating its full potential. First, you'll see how it can streamline workflows by automating routine tasks, which saves time and reduces errors. Next, it can enhance decision-making by providing real-time insights and data analysis. This means making more informed choices quickly and confidently. Another important use is in customer engagement, where it helps personalize experiences and improve satisfaction. Overall, these use cases demonstrate how this technology can be integrated into various aspects of our operations, aligning perfectly with our goal of increasing efficiency and innovation. Let's take a closer look at local text generation. First, it's important to note that it runs directly on your device, whether that's your laptop, phone, or an edge server, so there are no cloud calls involved. This means the text is generated locally, which enhances privacy and reduces latency. Because it operates instantly and keeps your data private, there's zero risk of data leakage, making it ideal for sensitive tasks. Plus, it works offline, so even without an internet connection, you can still use it, perfect for secure environments or remote locations. Now, in terms of use cases, we're talking about smart keyboards, offline chatbots, embedded writing assistants, or real-time translation tools. These are all scenarios where quick, private, and offline capabilities really shine. On the technical side, several frameworks support this approach, including GGML, Llama, CPP, Local AI, MLC, AI, and Core ML. These frameworks enable efficient deployment on various devices. When it comes to models, popular options include llama, Mistral, Phi2, TinyLlama, and Gemma, which are often quantized for edge deployment to optimize performance. Speaking of optimizations, techniques like quantization, using INT4 or INT8, help reduce model size and improve speed. Distillation makes models more efficient, and prompt caching speeds up repeated responses. Overall, local text generation is about bringing powerful AI directly to your device, ensuring privacy, speed, and offline capability, all tailored to fit a wide range of practical applications. Let's take a closer look at local image classification. This approach runs directly on devices like smartphones, cameras, or other edge devices, meaning the image is classified right there without needing to send data to the cloud. This makes the process both fast and private, since there's no need to upload sensitive images, which is especially important for real-time or privacy-critical applications. Another great advantage is offline capability. These models can operate even without an internet connection, making them perfect for remote or secure environments where connectivity might be limited or unavailable. Common use cases include plant disease detection, facial recognition, object tracking, and medical imaging, areas where quick, secure, and private analysis is crucial. In terms of frameworks, we often use TensorFlow Lite, Core ML, ONNX Runtime, or MLC, AI, which are optimized for deploying models on edge devices. Popular models like MobileNet, EfficientNet, and RaiseNet are frequently used, and they can be quantized or pruned to make them smaller and more efficient for deployment. To boost performance further, various optimizations are employed, such as INT8 quantization, model distillation, and hardware acceleration through NPUs or GPUs. These techniques help deliver high accuracy while maintaining the speed and efficiency needed for on-device processing. So to wrap things up, let's talk about why local AI really matters. Essentially, local AI inference is changing the game when it comes to how we deploy intelligence. It's fast, it's private, and it's always available right where you need it. No need to wait for cloud processing. Devices can think independently and respond instantly. Plus, it keeps user data safe by processing it locally, which is a huge advantage in today's privacy-conscious world. This technology empowers everything from mobile apps to complex industrial systems, unlocking scalable, secure, and personalized AI experiences. As hardware continues to evolve and models become more efficient, local AI is poised to drive the next wave of innovation. And importantly, this is happening right at the edge, meaning in real time, right where the action is. It's an exciting shift that will keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Now, I'd like to show you how you can connect with Talent Bridge beyond this presentation. First, our website is a great resource where you can find more information, updates, and ways to get involved. You can visit us at talentbridge.com. In addition, we're active on several social media platforms. On LinkedIn, you can find us under /@talentbridgeodu, where we share professional insights and opportunities. On Instagram, our handle is at Business and Career In, which is perfect for more visual updates and community stories. We also have a YouTube channel at talentbridgeodu, where we post videos about our programs and success stories. And on Medium, you can follow us at Talent Bridge for articles and thought leadership pieces. Connecting with us through these channels is a great way to stay engaged, find new opportunities, and be part of our growing community. Remember, our overall goal is to bridge talent with opportunity, and staying connected digitally is a key part of that. So I encourage you to follow us and join the conversation.